This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Photoshop. Let's begin by familiarizing ourselves with the Photoshop interface. You'll see the menu bar at the top, the options bar below it, and the tools panel on the left. On the right, you'll find various panels like layers and properties. We'll also cover opening and saving your first document, ensuring you understand the fundamental layout before diving deeper into its powerful features. Now, let's explore Photoshop's essential tools and the critical concept of layers. We'll start with selection tools like the marquee and lasso, which are fundamental for isolating parts of your image. Understanding layers is key. Think of them as transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. You'll learn to create, duplicate, and group layers and adjust their opacity for stunning visual effects. Next, we'll tackle basic image adjustments to enhance your photos. We'll use adjustment layers, such as brightness/contrast and hue/saturation, to non-destructively correct exposure and color. For minor imperfections, the spot healing brush and clone stamp tools are incredibly useful for retouching. These techniques allow you to refine your images while preserving the original pixel data, giving you maximum flexibility. Finally, let's discuss how to save and export your finished artwork. Always save your primary working file in Photoshop's native PSD format to retain all layers and editing capabilities. When sharing, you'll learn to export for web, typically using JPEG or PNG for optimal file size and quality, or for print, often using TIFF. This ensures your creations look their best wherever they are displayed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.